Students, next question is, which is the largest living lizard? You must have seen the lizard at your home, very small in size. But here, largest living lizard. So it's Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon is the world's largest lizard. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon are identified by their massive size and flat heads. As you can see, the head of the Komodo dragon are flat and the tails are thick. These dragons like creature lived on the Indonesia island of Komodo, and they come in variety of colors like blue, orange, green and grey. They have good vision too, as they can see the object at a distance of 300 meters. And why they are known as the largest living lizard? As you can see in the video, they are called the largest living lizard because of their size. As you can see, these lizard can grow up to maximum length of 3 meters, that is 10 feet. If we talk about male and female, male lizard can grow to maximum length of 9 feet and the females can grow to maximum length of 6 feet. If we talk about their weight, their weight is approx 70 to 154 kg, between 70 to 154 kg. That's why they are known as the largest living lizard. Our next question is, name the largest venomous snake in the world. Here the word venomous means poisonous, dangerous, okay, or harmful you can say. So the largest venomous snake in the world is the king cobra. King cobra is known as the venomous snake in the world. Why? Why king cobra is known as venomous snake in the world? Because its poison, the poison of the king cobra, is so strong and powerful and dangerous too that it can kill an elephant in just a few minutes and also a man in just a few minutes. That's why king cobra is the largest venomous, dangerous, poisonous snake in the world. And where they are found? They are found near the Southeast Asia. In the Southeast Asia, like Asia continent, this is east, this is south. So here Southeast Asia continent they are found, like in India also they are found, and some other countries like Thailand, Indonesia also they are found. And one more important fact about the king cobra, they like to live near the water or near the forest area. Next question is, which animal has the biggest brain of any animal? Which animal has the biggest brain of any animal? So the answer is sperm whale. Sperm whale. In fact, the sperm whale has the biggest animal in the world. On the planet also, this whale has the biggest brain. In fact, the brain of the sperm whale weighs about 5 times as much as human brain. The weight of the brain of the sperm whale is 7.8 kg. That's why they tend to have different kind of intelligence. That's why they can show the signs of joy, playfulness, empathy, etc. And do you know one more important fact about sperm whale? That it is the only whale that has that shaped head. As you can see in the video, it is the only whale that has shaped head and is typically quite easy to identify, because whales have pretty big brain. That's why this animal, sperm whale, has the biggest brain of any animal. Students, question number 7 is, which bird has the largest eye of any living land animal? Largest eye. So the answer is ostrich. As you all know, the animals rely on eyes for survival. The birds have sharp eyes which help them to locate the prey from a long distance. Here the word prey is P-R-E-Y, means shikar from the long distance. So answer is ostrich. Ostrich is the bird which has the largest eye of any living animal in the world. The largest eyes among the land animal is of ostrich. Do you know, because of the largest eyes, ostrich can locate a large dog at a distance of 3 kilometers also. It also help them, means the largest eyes of ostrich help them and protect them also from the predators. Predator means like an animal that lives by killing and eating other animal. Again I am repeating, predators means when an animal lives by killing other animal or by eating other animals. So it help the ostrich from the predators. So who are the predators of ostrich? Who eat and kill the ostrich? They are cheetah, lion, leopards, etc. Our last question, question number 8 is, name the largest land carnivore. Here the word carnivore means any animal that eats meat. So the largest land carnivore is polar bear. It is the correct answer. And do you know, polar bear is also known by the name sea bear or white bear, and they are a powerful symbol of strength also. And also the polar bear is the largest bear in the world, and polar bears are a powerful symbol of strength also. They are also known with the name sea bear, white bear, and here you can see in the video they are talented swimmers too. If we talk about the weight of the polar bear, then there is a variation in the weight of male and the female polar bear. A large male can weigh more than 771 kilograms. They can weigh as much as 10 mans. If we talk about the woman polar bear, then a woman polar bear can weigh more than 450 kilograms. One more important thing, why they are known as the largest land carnivore. Carnivore means any animal that eats meat. They are about 7 to 8 feet long if measured from the nose to the tip of their very short tail. That's why they are called the largest land carnivore.